All right, guys, welcome back to another market recap and just a quick look at what we could expect in this week. But firstly, I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers for yesterday, Sunday. I hope you ended up getting spoiled by your kids. I certainly did. I really enjoyed my quality time with my two beautiful children. Right, so I just want to get into it very quickly to smash through it. But look, the big thing last week was Jay Powell coming out saying that they're going to be tapering in 2023, right? However, they were sending a bit of mixed signals in the sense of they were thinking about tapering, and then that got turned around to no, we are talking about tapering. At the end of the day, the market didn't like that at all because it did show a bit of nerve from the Fed side of things. You know, they kind of blinked there a bit, and it just showed a little bit of lack of confidence, and the markets did not like that one bit. What was interesting to note, pretty much everything was in red. The DXY went on a bit of a rally. Gold got beaten by the ugly stick for a bit there. Crude oil also got a little bit hammered. But I mean, yeah, the market just needed to just digest what the hell was going on there. But as you can see, complete turnaround itself. Literally everything is in green, apart from Bitcoin. The DXY is also down. But I mean, if I have a look at the DXY, should show you how, you know, the three unholy trinities in terms of the DXY, the 10-year Treasury yield, and also crude oil actually do drive the markets at the end of the day, because the DXY went up, like I said, sucked liquidity out of the stock market and drove the price of gold down, but also crude oil, because there is that inverse correlation. Now, as you can see, the US dollar is going down, no surprise. Gold is going up. Crude oil is going up, which does prop up the stock markets themselves. So just pay attention this week to what the US dollar is going to be doing, particularly what's going to be happening tomorrow. So at about 2 p.m. Tuesday, you got the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, testifies on coronavirus. So just watch what that dollar is going to be doing. But I do think Jerome's going to most likely put a bit of a positive spin on the coronavirus, because at the end of the day, you've got to boost morale into the economy itself. So I have no doubt he's going to be a bit of a cheerleader on the morale side, that they win in the battle and so forth. So just watch that. But I do think there'll be a slight little pullback just before his testimony. Just people just positioning themselves just in case it goes pear-shaped and they're not really stung. So just really watch that, because that's typically what happens when Jerome actually comes out. People tend to just quickly scurry to the safe havens and so forth. Okay, but if we go to crude oil, as you can see, it's been on a fantastic run. There's that little dip that I was telling you about, but it's recovered quite nicely. And again, it's just going on higher highs, yeah. So, I mean, yeah, oil's just looking great. If we have a look at gold seems to be trending in this particular channel. I had a bit of a false breakout and came back in. It's just retouched this. So I think gold is just going to just find its feet a little bit this week. But again, I'm still very bullish on gold because we are in inflation from now until 2023. And you got to also remember that we've got the infrastructure plan. There's tons of money that's going to be pumped into the system. There's still that COVID relief money expenditure that's also been flooded into the system. So, the US dollar is going to be taking a bit of a pounding with regards to all of that. So gold will go up itself. So if we have a look, crypto side, Bitcoin, Ethereum, literally everything is just in a sea of red, apart from one coin here, which is AMP. But yeah, literally just all the sea. Now, the reason why Bitcoin is actually going down is, well, because China is shutting down its mining operations for Bitcoin. So, the Feds want to talk about a transitory period. Well, Bitcoin is actually having a migration transitory period, and this is why Bitcoin's just taken a bit of a beat in itself. But this is a fantastic buying opportunity. Again, Bitcoin's just been traveling in this channel itself. Here's floor. It's very similar to gold in a sense, but yeah, it's just really traveling in this sideways action. So this seems to be more of just a consolidation period, but yeah, we're not out the woods yet. You've got, this debt cost that's just occurred here. So let's just see how bad that is. But like I said, when there's FUD, just keep buying. I mean, I'm just buying. But this is also for a trader. This is fantastic trading opportunities. This channel bouncing. It's fantastic trading opportunities. But as for an investment, I mean, I'm just buying more and buying more. So, and that's what I'm doing. So anyway, guys, just pay attention to Jerome Powell again, because I mean, he is the most powerful man on this planet, and what he says moves the market. So pay attention to that. All right, guys, short and sweet. But this is Chris Trade. Peace out.